So hello everyone and welcome to the shed. It's been a year since that first video where I've insulated everything and we started making this light board. In that video I did say it was going to be a series, which I didn't keep up, but now we're going to make that right. So just a little update on where we are with things. So I'll switch around. So it's become a bit of a dumping ground, unfortunately, but that's not something we can't fix. This is actually worse. Those two bags are going to be gone, so just that to sort out and a bike to sell. So this desk is new. I say new, it's about 6 months old, but that's going to be the main hub. Installed these brackets. We're going to put a shelf up there, and then we're going to use a multi-board system to create a setup there for all my tools and things like that. So this bit has become the 3D print section and little studio here. In this video, what you're going to see is we're going to get this bit of the wall painted so that everything goes on top of it has a good start. So the multi-board system, we'll see through it and it'll be black. We've got some acoustic panels and they're going to be going everywhere. So we've got some black ones here already, and those ones are going to be matching the ceiling. The other ones, we've got some grey and some blue, which you'll see, and we're going to make a nice pattern elsewhere. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Time lapse started. Right, first of all, we're going to move all this out of the way. And there was something I forgot to mention. I did try and fill these areas, as you can see, but they're just pointless. It's all cracked over time. So we do need to sand this down. This will take no time at all now. Here's our roller. Now, this is probably going to go drastically wrong. Let's see. This channel's all about bodging things and getting things done, but you must mix your paint. You don't even dare. I can already see your face wanting to get in here and cause havoc. It's not there to begin with. We've got a coat. I don't think I'm going to bother with another. I only really need to do where the multi-board's going to be, which is this central section. And the rest is going to have acoustic panelling. Okay. Let's start with the white ones. So, first one off. Probably up in this corner. Okay. So, made a bit of a mistake. This is all I've got left. I've got to do loads, so I have to order some more of these. It's looking good so far. Let's give you a little tour. So, you've obviously seen that. gaps here I know that I'll have to cut up and fill in, so I'll save a few back for that. One thing that's really annoyed me is I didn't follow the pattern like I have on the ceiling. It's okay, we'll fix that at some point. Yeah, looking good. And slight miscalculation on the shelf, I did want it the full width, but actually that's going to be alright. I screw them together nice and solid. I've got the back wall painted now. That wall's almost completed. You can put black around the bottom when I've ordered some more. Ceiling, it's on its way. Got some gaps to fill across there. Need to sort the shelf. And also, Bamboo Lab package has arrived, so we've got the PLA, matte PLA, to start building the multi-board across there. So subscribe for next week's video, where we're going to be building the multi-board. So it's going to be a very 3D print heavy video, but hope you enjoy. Bye.